Hey Peer Family, welcome to another tutorial for livepeer.com. Today I'll be showing you how to shop on the new system. You can start by clicking on Shop, or you can type in the product that you're looking for here on the search bar and then click on this button to search for it. For now, we'll click on Shop. Once you're on the Shop page, you'll see a list of different categories that you can click on to view all the products that fall under each category. So this makes it really easy to browse for products. We've also added a new category called Last Chance where you can find discounted products, and a new category that makes it easy for you to identify which products are new. Down here we've added a new feature called Recently Viewed. So if you were browsing and you found a product that you liked, but maybe you forgot to add the product to your cart or you forgot the product name, you can go back to the section and see what that product was. Now we'll take a look at product packs and see how we can sort them. In the top right, we've added this feature called Sort By, and you can sort all the products that are listed by lowest price or highest price or by newest, and the system will update based on what you selected in the drop-down menu. We've also added new tags to products so that you can quickly identify those new products. You also see that there is a little heart icon here, and this is for if you want to favorite a product, you can add it to a favorites list on your account when you're logged in. We've also updated pricing to retail pricing here, but if you were to click on the product page or quick view, you can view the discounted price as an IBO or preferred customer. And from the quick view, you can also add products to your cart and auto ship if you were logged in. Now, if you were searching for a product, you can type in the product name. The system will quickly show the product that you typed in. And if you were searching for a single product instead of a product pack, the system will show the single product first and all the other packs that that single product is included in. As you can see, it's really easy to find and shop for products using the new system. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.